What's up guys, welcome back. I wanted to do the video outside today, but because of the snow and everything, decided to change my mind. Today I want to talk about this book. This is, by the way, The Universal Principle of Successful Trading by Brent Penfold, which I interviewed in the podcast. But there are some really good pieces of advice, and this is probably the book that made me see trading as much more a business than anything else. And I got some good advice. I read the book a while back, but there was this one lesson that really kind of resonates with me and that I've been sharing for a long time at the same time. It says, adjustable parameters produce adjustable outcomes. I cannot believe how many people, maybe listening to this right now, have adjustable parameters where they do what they feel like doing and they don't have this clear process that they follow all the time. And that is really the first step. If you want to have consistent result in trading, you need to put in consistent action, and that is the only way to get there. There's no other way. And for so long, I've been kind of trying different things and seeing how things worked. But the moment I started to do the one thing and these same parameters, the same rules, it started to work. The only thing that, and this is also in that book, I want to highlight that point. There's this principle in trading of maximum adversity. So the first trading strategy that I traded consistently, for the first 2 weeks, I was just losing money all the time and I didn't have any result. What I understood from the book though is that there's always this kind of concept, and this is really weird, based on no scientific evidence, but the market always tests you. When you start something new, the market's going to do everything it can to kind of discourage you from being consistent with that. And you just have to realize that and go through that first phase of kind of having tough results, being in tough times, and once you get it going, then it starts to work right. And it's really funny, but you have to prove yourself to the market that you can make it and that you can stay consistent with something. And as I said, this is based on no scientific evidence. Like, there's no study saying that the market's going to test you or anything. It's just a principle that kind of happens most of the time. And most traders I work with, their first month is not really the best month they had, or it's not like the best month they're going to have forever. They might have a tough time the first month, and then they're going to get back and things are going to work out. So something to think about. But the key is that if you adjust too many things when you trade live, your results are always going to be kind of moving and adjusting. And you see people who have consistent returns in their account, it's usually because they always have the same parameters, the same strategies. Not because they change things, they adjust all the time. And yes, there's a point of being adjustable, like changing your things when you see the market don't work, that's fine. But you cannot change your whole strategy every month or every day because you feel like, well, today might be a better day, so I'm going to change this and that. That doesn't work. So I just wanted to talk about that topic quickly. And yesterday I kind of did a video where I was going to Montreal and doing different things, but I couldn't really finish it. So let's get back a little bit, and you guys are going to be able to see the snow yesterday. So guys, welcome back. If you've been watching the videos a while ago, you might remember that I came here for a couple of videos. Really cool place, except that this morning it's kind of a different environment. Snowy. Let's get started with that thing. The temperature is getting warmer and warmer. That's pretty cool, and the snow is going to be melting in a few hours, I think. We'll see how that goes. Now, the morning being done and the planning for the week being done, I'm going to see my grandmother this afternoon. She's at the hospital, so not necessarily the best afternoon ever to spend at the hospital, but let's get there. There goes to help you guys like this quick video. It's been really short, but there is some things promising coming up, some good travels, which I'm really excited about. I'll let you guys know pretty soon about these topics and where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do. Not planned yet, but that's gonna come. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'll do my best I can to help you out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.